Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today we are going to show you yet another famous Hyderabadi recipe, Dum ka Murgh. But before we begin cooking this delicious dish for you, I would like to ask you to please like our videos if you enjoy watching them. Do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. So without further delay, let's take a look at the ingredients we need to prepare this dish. To marinate 1.5 kg of chicken, we need 1 tablespoon of black cumin seeds, 6 cloves, 6 cardamom pods, 2 1-inch sticks of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 300 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, ground paste 3 tablespoons. The paste is made out of 50 grams of almonds, 50 grams of dry coconut, 75 grams of cashew and 25 grams of chironji, half a bunch of coriander leaves chopped, 6 medium-sized deep-fried onions, quarter teaspoon of red food color and 3 large spoons of oil. Let's begin by dry roasting the almonds and the dry coconut for 2 minutes on medium to low heat. To this, add the cashews and the chironji and dry roast for another minute. Once cooled, grind them to a thick paste and set it aside. Firstly, we need to marinate the chicken. So here I have taken 1.5 kg of chicken. To this, add black cumin seeds, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaves. Add in 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder and the yogurt. Add in tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, dark soy sauce and the vinegar. Add in 3 tablespoons of the ground paste, half a bunch of chopped coriander leaves, deep fried onions, quarter teaspoon of red food color and 3 large spoons of oil. Mix well and leave to marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. If you have time at hand, then you can also marinate this chicken overnight. This will make the chicken more flavorful. After the chicken has marinated for 1 hour, cook the chicken on low flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, place the handi on a griddle or tawa. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Stir the chicken occasionally. After a couple of minutes of cooking, you will see the oil separating from the gravy and the chicken taking on the deep red color. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes without covering. Our delicious Dum ka Murgh is now ready. The chicken is tender, juicy, and falling off the bone. This dish is traditionally eaten with any sort of bread like naan or rumali roti. Do try it out, enjoy it with family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it. For more such mouth-watering videos, stay tuned to our channel A Desi Abroad. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications for our latest video uploads. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe.